There are two methods of classification that exist: the division and the zone system. The division system is a legacy classification system. It originated in North America and incorporates using two levels of classification. In Canada, older facilities constructed prior to 1998 were classified using the division system. The zone system of classification was introduced into Canada in the 1998 edition of the Canadian Electrical Code. The IEC zone system incorporates three levels of classification. The code requires that all new facilities use the zone system of classification. Older facilities using the division system of classification may continue to do so at their discretion. We adopted the zone system so we could use products incorporating IEC explosion protection standards. This was not possible using the division system, so we had to make the change. Fast forward 20 years, and we now have a mix of division and zone classified facilities. It is estimated that roughly half of all facilities in Canada use the division system and the other half use the zone system. As time progresses, we can expect the zone system to eventually supersede the division system of classification.